You've likely heard a lot about the upcoming One UI 7.0 update and how it will significantly alter the look and feel of Samsung's Android skin. However, one of the most noteworthy changes, in my opinion, is quite subtle. According to leaked screenshots of One UI 7.0, Samsung appears to be planning a complete redesign of the battery indicator in the status bar. The update is expected to replace the current battery icon with a new pill-shaped design, as shown in the screenshot. Samsung has started rolling out the first software update for its newest foldable phones, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Fold 6, beginning in South Korea. This update, which includes the August 2024 security patch, is expected to reach other countries in the coming days. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 update is identified by firmware version F741 NKSU18X7, while the Galaxy Z Fold 6 update comes with firmware version F956 NKSU18X7. These are minor updates, primarily aimed at enhancing security with the latest improvements. A recent update from a well-known Samsung leaker hints that the One UI 7.0 beta for the Galaxy S24 Ultra is almost ready, although a specific release date remains uncertain. It's anticipated that the beta could launch in early September. Samsung's Galaxy S24 lineup has set a new standard for after-sales software support, offering 7 years of OS and feature updates. Although Google's Pixel phones also provide 7 years of updates, Samsung's larger market share and global popularity mean this extended support will benefit a broader customer base. While Samsung hasn't officially confirmed the update policy for future devices, it's expected that every new flagship will be eligible for 7 years of updates based on recent reports indicating that Galaxy smartphones will receive 7 years of Android and One UI updates. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, remember to give a like to the video and subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next video. Peace out.